Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook notification not working. If you're using Facebook and your Facebook notification not working is for example, if you're using Facebook and you have some notifications but you can't get notifications in your notification center, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your settings, or you can do the setting directly from your Facebook app. So open up your Facebook app, tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right corner, and from here you have to look for notifications, and then you will get the option of push notifications. Select it, then select turn on push notifications, and it will open up in your settings. So you can easily do this from your mobile setting. Open up your settings app, then scroll down to end and you look for apps, then look for Facebook, and you will get the notification. Tap on it, and from here you can easily enable notification for your Facebook. If you want to enable time sensitive notification, you can easily enable it, or you can get notification on your lock screen by enabling this toggle, or notification center, or banners. And here you can easily enable sounds, badges, banner type. You can easily select the temporary or persistent banner style which you want, and here you can get more setting. You can set priority if you want to get the prioritized notification of your Facebook, so you can easily enable this toggle. Here's the summarize notification, but I recommend don't have to turn it on. So if you are having an issue in your notification settings of your Facebook, you can easily manage the notifications from your mobile settings. So in this way you can easily fix if your Facebook notification is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.